Hi traders, thanks for stopping by thetradinganalyst.com. This is Taylor and we're going to take a look at the biotech chart here via IBB as well as the individual components that make up a good portion of IBB, including Amgn, AGN, Celg, Regn, MYL, as well as a few others. And I'm going to give my analysis and thought process, and you're going to walk away from this video with some newfound knowledge on technical analysis as well as some profitable trade ideas here on biotech itself. But first, if you're not already a member at thetradinganalyst.com, go ahead and give us a visit on the homepage of the website and get to know us a little bit better. If you like the free videos and analysis that we give to you on a daily basis, it's really nothing in comparison to the membership you get at thetradinganalyst.com. The best part is, once you sign up with your free 7-day trial, you're going to gain instant access to the profitable trade alerts that members are getting on a daily basis. It's a great opportunity, and we'd love to help you. All right, so we're going to take a look at IBB here to start. What I want to point out here is we've got this trend line that has given us a bounce several times. Started here, got a bounce there, here's a bounce, there's a bounce, almost bounced off of it right here, and that's right where we're sitting right here. Now we're coming into a level of support right here based off of this previous resistance right there, and then it turned into support here and then right there, and here we are right at that level right here. So this is definitely a key level here in the near term that if you're long or you want to look long on biotechs, you want this to hold in the short term. Now we have this resistance level above us right here from this downtrend line right there. There's a rejection, there's a rejection, and to me this looks like, and I'm going to circle it here so you can get a better view of it, this pattern right here looks like a head and shoulders pattern to me. Here's the left shoulder, here's the head, and then here's the right shoulder right here, and then here's the neckline right there. So to me, that looks like a head and shoulders pattern. If we break these lows, if we break 286, that is not going to be a very good look for IBB, and more than likely it's going to head lower, and the nearest support is right near about 272. So if we break 286, more than likely it's going to head down to 272. Above us, we've still got this resistance, and this pattern would be negated if we clear this 295 resistance. So 295 and 286 are the two main levels here on IBB that you want to be focusing on. The next one we're going to take a look at is Amgn. Amgn, you can see just been weak. We've been holding below this support level. You can see we got another test of that support level and then rejection. So that should be no surprise that we're headed lower here on Amgn, because we've been pointing out that we've been below this support for quite some time. Now we're headed into another level right here at about 159 to 160. That's about $2 or $2.50 below us. So that was support right here based off of this previous resistance there as well as there, and it's also the gap fill. You can see there was this gap between these 2 days right there that would fill once we hit down towards 160. The next one we're going to take a look at is AGN. AGN, overall, we're just going to take a look at the longer term chart here, just because the near term action isn't really looking great for any kind of a trade in either direction. But from a longer term perspective, you can see that we're clearly in a downtrend. You can see we had this high here, there, making lower highs and lower highs, getting rejected at this resistance, and that's right where we ran into right there, and that's just above us right here. So definitely a key level here for AGN that you want to be aware of. Next, we're going to take a look at Celg. Celg, you can see here we broke this bull channel right here, came up, rejected it right there, and had another gap right here, gap up, and then we retested this resistance up here near about 127, that we've been pointing out for quite some time. You can see it was resistance here. Right there was a rejection. Right here was a rejection, and right here was a rejection. So you can see 127, very key level here, and we tested it again today and got a big time rejection on Celg. Next, we're going to take a look at Regn. In Regn, we have a couple main levels that I want you to see here. We've got this resistance up here at about 398, right there, and right there's that rejection. And then we've got support down here at this trend line. You can see we've got a bounce there, here, there's a bounce, and we're coming into this level right now. So we'll see what it does with it, but it is definitely a support. Below that, we've got support down near about 360. You can see we almost hit it there, right there, and it was based off of previous resistance right there. Next one we're going to take a look at is MYL. In MYL, this is another weak one right here. We had this bounce right here, and then this stock get hit with 2 days of bad news, which is not really great, and that really affected prices right here. And it looks like it could be doing a little bit of sideways trading action, but overall pretty bearish as we're below this support. So it was previous resistance there, broke over it big time, and then we broke back below it. So now this $40 level is going to be a big level of resistance that you want to be looking at. And then on the underside, we've got some pretty decent support down here near about $34. So that's about $5 below us, but definitely want to be aware of all these supports no matter how far away they are. Next, we're going to take a look at Gilead. In Gilead, you can see here we got that rejection at this downtrend line that we've been pointing out for quite some time. We also had a false breakout. So here was that breakout right here above this resistance, and then the next day just boom, whipsawed back below it and closed below that low right there. And as you can see, we're headed lower since then, and we've got some support down here at about $65 is that next level on Gilead. Thanks for stopping by and watching the video, everyone. Again, if you're not already a member at thetradinganalyst.com, get to know us better by visiting us on the homepage of the website. If you like the free videos that we give to you on a daily basis, it's nothing in comparison to the membership you get at thetradinganalyst.com. Once you sign up with your free 7-day trial, not only are you going to get access to those profitable trade alerts that I mentioned earlier, but you're also going to get access to the private Twitter feed, the daily watch list, the real-time alerts that are sent directly to your cell phone via text message, so you're never going to miss a beat in the market. You're also going to get exclusive access to the daily member videos, webinars, and an education from mentors like myself who truly care about your success in the market. It's a great opportunity, and we'd love to help you.